too. I think more local people
Really?
have noticed, you know.
But you just do like the trust factor.
It's all trust. And what the beauty of it is, I don't have to deal with anybody.
Yeah.
I don't have to interact with anybody. It's 24/7, you know.
That's awesome. So we're at Sycamore Sawmill, ran by John Crow, and awesome guy. I've known him for a while now. Anyway, we're dropping off some black walnut that we did from Etowah, but this place is just beautiful, so I just wanted to take you guys, little log truck, take you guys on just a little tour. Not a massive one because we don't have a ton of time, but this is just pretty. So he built this bridge. He built literally pretty much everything here. Lot of hard work. This is awesome. So peaceful out. Right on the river. There's just so much logs, and John, obviously he builds so much stuff. His creations are awesome, beautiful. So, that being said, if you ever, did this thing shut off? No. If you ever want something built or whatever, this is your guy, John Crow. And yeah, he'll haul these things from North Carolina. Right now we're in Dacusville, South Carolina, but anyway, that's John. So, but right now he's building another workshop to put some more equipment in, and so that's going to be awesome when he gets that up and going. There's John. So, anyway, awesome.